Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to challenge the USL Championship event in EFootball 2024. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission or objective so you can get ton of reward from this game. So in previous video we are going to play we play the event from Dream Team. But this is the USL Championship. Let's get back to the main page. We are going to play this authentic team. Tap this event. And this is the challenge event USL Championship. Tap. And this is the detail. In this event, you will be able to use club for USL Championship. This is a second division from MLS or Major League Soccer from USA. USL Championship play versus AI matches. So we are going to play against computer or bot and complete the challenge to receive GP. Let's get started. Tap enter, and you have to choose your team for this event. So this is a second league of MLS. You have to play as a club from USL Championship. For example, I'm going to play as Miami. Tap next. And this is Miami player. And tap next. Enter. And you have to aim for one win to unlock another stage. Maximum number of matches of is 1. And if you're not ready, you please make sure you already have your tactic in the game plane. This is the event setting. You can adjust your match level here. And if you're ready, just tap the match. And this game will search the opponent for you. For example, this one, I'm going to play against Las Vegas. And welcome to the USL Championship event. Make sure you win this game so you can get the reward from this event. You have to play patiently. Make sure you're going to score. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.